guys, today we're going to be destroying this old microwave that I found in my yard. It was actually friends that my dad got. We never used it now because it didn't work. So we threw it behind a building, and now it's all rusty and destroyed, and we're about to throw it away in a week. So my dad said I can do whatever I want to this thing. So I am going to destroy the shit out of it. Well, we're just starting with my feet though. Damn, I already been in the thing. There we go. There's one thing broken. Come on up. Alright, I'm getting tired of feet. Let's see, what's my weapon of choice? Yep. Right here. Wait a minute, guys, let me get this off. Home. And no. Oh, never mind, it won't come off. Alright. Then. Boom, old fishing pole. That's gonna get thrown away anyway. Damn, this thing shakes a lot. I'm gonna make hands. Fuck this, that push point, you want shit? Y'all might not want to mess with me if I can do this to a damn microwave. Then I can definitely do this to you. You're a bully. You don't mess with me or my friends. Shit! This thing gonna break. Off of that. You motherfucking door. And I'm doing this all with my hands. With no gloves on or anything. Boom. There we go. The door's off. Alright, the shelling is too hard. Alright, I need me a hammer or something. Oh, perfect shovel. Hopefully my mom won't mind. My mom won't mind, guys. Alright. I'll push you with my eye. If I We'll shovel out have to listen to music. Oh, microwave. You know you won't. There we go. Come on. Let's see how tough you are now, microwave. You ain't got no shell protecting you now. There. No shell protecting you now. Keep this shell though. I can use this for something. Alright, microwave. You beating up now. Come on. Stupid ass microwave. You know what? I can just do this. Disconnect the power cord. Because my mom don't really messing up that. Power's gonna keep that. So. And you know what? Stupid ass microwave. Not knowing what 1 plus 2 is, looking at ass microwave. You hear me? You don't know what 1 plus 2 is, microwave. You want some microwave. Oh shit, that's a fuse in here. I bet you it's blown. But I'll keep it. Because it's parts. It's like just an instruction video. It's getting parts out of a microwave too. Keep that. Yeah, I'm going to get all the parts I need out of it that my parents want me to keep out of this thing, and then I can get back to the store. Like I said, they wanted me to cut this ground wire, so how am I going to cut this without my wire cutters? Wires are standing. Hard to cut without wire cutters. Come on, microwave. You know you wanna. Little shit ass microwave. You didn't even walk when my parents plugged you in. So fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Stupid ass microwave. I gonna do this story like your parents did. When they caught you playing microwave boxing. Cause you can't box with shit. You can't even box shit like that. There we go, got the power cord off of it. ass microwave. Just wait already. Give up. You are stupid. No, that's a heating element. Oh, well, guess what about that? I don't give a fuck about you, heating element. You didn't even heat your food. All you did was turn the fuck on. Then that's it. So fuck you and fuck you. Yeah, boy. What you gonna do about this microwave? Huh? Complain about that too? You stupid ass microwave. Come on, microwave, you know you want. Give me these dang cord. Give me your guts right now, you stupid ass microwave. You know what? Bam. Disgusting. I'll never do that again. Trash. Just for that microwave. It's some more shovel time. There's your guts. And now for the motherboard. There we go. That's it. That's all I'm doing. I'm tired now. Fuck that stupid ass microwave. Straightening out this body. Alright. Yeah, fuck this microwave. Dude, I'm only standing here on it. And it's been me. Well, guys, I think I finally destroyed this thing to non-repairable. Unless someone finds a new heating element, a new motherboard. Hell, they need a... This microwave is unrepairable. It's all rusty. I destroyed the motherboard. It no longer works. Dude, how would anyone fix this? I'm literally finishing up the motherboard right now to make sure no one fixes this. So I don't know how anyone would manage to, but it's whatever anyone thinks they can do. I mean, the main power's unplugged. There ain't no power cord. Now there ain't no adapter plate or anything. It's just the bare bones. Hell, not even the bare bones. So the only thing they've got left out of this thing is the heating element, which I'm pretty sure don't work. Damn. This thing going to unplug. Like the rest of the things. Yeah, I think it's busted in there. That is destroyed. Here, I'll flip it over so y'all can see it. You think that looks like a microwave anymore, guys? I don't think it does. I think it looks like a piece of shit. A big old piece of shit. Bye, guys. Ah, shit. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more destruction videos. My vlogs on the new channel I'm creating today. So, make sure you go check it out, guys. See you guys on the next gaming video, because this is now going to be a gaming channel, no longer a vlog channel and gaming. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.